YouTubers, here we go. It is Monday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We got another unboxing to do. Oh yes, examined by... Oh boy. Definitely excited to see what's inside. You guys can get one at a low cost. All you gotta do is check the link down below and see what they have to offer. We got here... Give me 1 second. I gotta get this thing out. Hold on. I think this is coming from Priseer. Yes. We have Priseer. Check them out. Link will be down below. You get one of these. I think this is a two-parter, so I'll have 2 videos up. And the first one up to bat is gonna be something special for you. There we go. What do we have here, guys? Uh-oh. We'll get this one out first. Oh, this is nice. 30-watt USB power adapter. Can never have enough of these. Great stocking stuffers for any computer person in your family. Definitely check them out. Get this fast shipped to you guys. There you go. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. 6. Nice. Take this off. Oh yeah, there it goes. That's what I wanted to see. Bam. Look at that. Oh, that's tiny. That'll be nice right by the computer. I'm gonna have to set that up in a second. And we got the power. We got the juice manual. We don't need to use that. So definitely check this one out, and many great items they have offered to you guys at a low cost and save you some money this holiday season. Definitely, especially now in times like this, crazy world. Definitely check them out. Boom, easy peasy. Let's see what else. I'll be right back. Here we go. We got it nice hooked up. Got it plugged in. And all you gotta do is plug your USB ports, your laptops, tablets, cell phones, maybe Nintendo Switches, portables, pretty much anything. So really cool, lightweight, easy to store. And bada boom. Set it up nice right there. Really cool. Great stocking stuffer. Like I said, link will be down below. YouTubers, have a good night. Be safe and see you in the next one.